Okay, so Costco was selling these brown sugar boba milk bar, ice milk bars from this company, IMEI or IMEI. Okay, and it comes with 3 of these, so there's 4 in each, and it was $13. So yeah, a little over $1 a bar. And these are really good. So I've tried several different brands. This one, it's really nice. There's a lot of like boba inside. Let me open it up and then I'll bite into it and I'll show you. Let me pause this real quick. So actually I want to show what it shows on the back. So I can't read Chinese, but go brown sugar milk pearl ice bar, water, maltose sugar, coconut oil, milk powder, brown sugar, and you can read all the other ingredients. 160 calories for 1 bar. There you can see how much fat and sugar, 17 grams in 1 bar. Okay. Alright, so let me bite into one and show you. I'm going to put the box in the freezer. Alright, it also tells you to chew it thoroughly so you don't choke on it, of course. But, yeah. Alright, I'll be back. Okay, so there's multiple kinds of these, but this one, the way you open it, you can see like these wavy lines here. So you actually tear on the like sharp point of the line, and that's how you peel this open. All right, looks like this. Okay, so it looks like this. My teeth kind of bit into it, but yeah. All right, let me bite one. And here you can see the boba. Okay, I'll take another bite and show you. You can see there's actually 2 pearls right there, 2 pearls right there. So there's actually 4 pearls in that bite. So I bit it again, more pearls. So this one, there's actually pearls throughout the entire bar. On some, they'll just be at the very tip, or they'll put just some like liquidy syrup stuff in there. This one is actually like the pearls that you get to chew. So it's really nice. There's no goopy liquid stuff in it. But yeah, I don't know if you like that, but it's nice. And it has a creamy, slight water crystal-y bite to it. So it's not completely like cream textured. You have the slight like crunch of like ice, but it's like very slight. And yeah, I like them. These are probably so far my favorite of these milk tea ice cream bars that I've tried. So if you have them at your Costco, give them a shot. They're really good. Alright, that's all. I'll see you guys later. Bye.